Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace, and this is gonna be my very first, video. But just please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And right now I'm out here. It's actually warm today. It's usually cold, but we are on our way to, I think, Myers, because we gotta change my car battery. And yeah, so come along for the ride. So we're right now heading to, where we heading? Myers. Yeah, we're into Myers, and then try to get a battery and some dog food. So come along for the ride.
You said say hi. I say hi.
So, I think, which one do you think we should go? Like Myers or Kroger's to get gas first?
I feel like getting gas at Costco would be better.
Okay, then let's go to Costco. So yeah, we're gonna head to Costco first, and then head to Myers. So guys, we're on the way to Myers now. So
we're good. Come on.
And people gonna stop for you to cross.
Goodbye.
Yeah. So. Oh,
so frankincense, grapefruit, lavender, lemon, orange, patchouli, cinnamon, peppermint, rosemary.
Yeah. So, I mean, they have some nice stuff. All the vitamins.
And they have other oils too. Yeah, these are more essential oil, Meyer brand. Lemon, lavender, de-stress, eucalyptus, calming, sleep, breathing.
Yeah, this lavender stuff actually is good. I like that one.
Yeah.
I haven't tried the distress or the tree.
Tea tree I have, it's good. I never had de-stress or sleep.
Alright guys.
I just want to show you that.
Okay.
Go find the box back.
Yeah, we need to start with what we came here for. Batteries. What's this one? It's $24.50. Are we sure we can't use a different type of battery for it? Y'all, rotisserie chicken is my life. See, we're supposed to be here for I'm supposed to be here for just dog food and batteries, but I'm seeing other things. bought him this yellow one.
Destroyed already?
Actually, I don't know where it is. It didn't destroy it.
Out.
Probably, you're right. Because I got him this one. It has the beef Senate one. So, okay, so we better just... I gotta get my dog food and his dog food.
We got 48.
Which one are you getting for
I might
Hunter?
get this one. Chicken. We dog real chicken.
Yeah, chicken is good. Hey guys, which one do you think is the best dog food out there? Because we're trying to find the best dog food for our dogs. Pedigree is good.
Yeah, that one's good.
Yeah, this is good.
That's 20.
We used to get Junior. This
Yeah.
one. Our other dog.
Hunter, we give them like different ones. We'll give them dog chow, Purina, pedigree.
But the one I just got
Got
for
two of them, didn't
Thor, they don't have it here. Is this the only
What
dog?
brand? No, they got another.
The one. Okay, so let's check the other side.
You don't like any brands?
No, Pedigree is good, but I don't want to mess up his stomach like that because there's only 2 food that I've tried on him. Okay, I think it's on this side. Iams. Okay, this is the one he has at home right now. One. Yeah. This one he has right now.
More bougie dog.
This is not. Yeah, this ain't bougie. This is.
Smart blends.
Yeah, but I get him the chicken flavor. All I'm saying is lamb and rice. Lamb and rice.
Check, check, check it
That's more.
No, I usually get it at. No, what's it called? Pet Supply Plus. Yeah, it's a really nice store. Like it's huge. But I think I'm just gonna get this for now. Get him this one.
Lemon rice.
Yep. So yeah, we'll get this one. Yeah, this one.
$39
Here.
for the baby.
But it's the baby one. This is the one I usually get him. But they got the baby one for $14 instead of getting this big one.
You don't want to give him the. About $50 for that one.
Yep. Alright. I think that's it. Time to go. The real bougie dog food. Oh yeah, they're expensive. Oh, he would love this.
Let it snow.
It's already that time of year. How much is this? $8? My dog will go through this. He will destroy this in one bite.
Candy cane bone. $8 for that. $13.
Yeah.
You can give them the Christmas hot dog treats, like candy. But it's not candy. Gingerbread man treats.
Dog stuff are expensive. Like really expensive. They already got Christmas treats.
Christmas bacon, turkey and bacon. With veggies and real bacon.
Well, he still have.
$9 for $39.
He has
The big thing of
the
milk
big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to get him this one, the puppy one, but
We went to PetSmart like
yeah, but yeah, he goes through that. I have to get him the bigger breed type.
saw which one I was gonna get and I forgot now.
So which one are you getting for Hunter? So now we gotta get his dog food.
Chicken. 55 pounds. What was the other one? There was another one that's standing. I think I was gonna get the chicken one. Maybe that one.
What flavor do you usually get him?
Chicken or whatever. I got him different brands before, but he likes this brand or the Killers and Bits brand. I've gotten the Purina one before for him. He likes that one also. The Myers brand he didn't like too much of.
Yeah. Guys, let us know which
He
one,
ate it, but like he was like all like
which
Yeah.
dog food is out there that's like good for puppies. Because I have a puppy, a 9-month-old, and he has
6-year-old
6-year-old, yeah.
blue healer, Australian blue healer.
Yep, Australian Blue Heeler, and I have a pit bull mix staff. Yeah, it's a mixed breed. So, yep. Oh, they got the bed out.
Ohio State Buckeye.
Thor would look
shirt.
so cute in this.
Kentucky, UK Wildcats.
He would look so cute in this, but he's gonna like be like, get the shit off of me.
Yeah, some beds too.
How much is this bed, though?
$30 for that one. $30 for this one. $55 for that one for some reason.
I don't know why it's 55.
This one's $70. Oh, because it's real firm. That
Oh.
one's more durable. But only thing is about these beds sometimes, like except the ones you can take the cover off, if they like pee or something on it, get food or whatever all over it, stain it, and if you can't, this looks like you can't take the cover off. You pay all that money, then you're gonna have. To
But
throw
this
it away.
one, can you
You
take?
can take the cover off, like the one that we got for Hunter. Or I
Okay.
got for Hunter. And you can zip it off. There's a zipper right here. And you clean this, and then you can clean the pad.
I'm
that's in
thinking,
there.
should I get him this one? Because the one I got him before was a smaller one, but
Yeah,
it's too big for it. Like I got him
Thing is, how
something
much
like
bigger?
this, but he's gonna get bigger. So he needs like the big bed that Hunter got, like this one's.
Yeah, but you can check on Amazon. You can probably get a better deal.
Yeah.
So that's what I got. The one from Hunter for Hunter. It was like $38. Oh, freaking price it is.
Cause I bought a raincoat, $41.
$2.
Basically $42.
Yeah. For one little raincoat with the hood.
Yeah.
Oh man.
For what? Can y'all tell me why it's expensive?
Amazon. They got all kinds of ones. The only
Yeah,
thing
'cause I
with
got 'em.
Amazon is the Chinese one, the Chinese sizes. 'Cause I've done it with Hunter. I bought him shirts and stuff, and they're belly shirts on them.
Belly.
Belly shirts. And it says extra, extra, extra large, and then it's actually like a small. So yeah, that's the only problem with buying stuff online. Smallish. Really has small.
It should be, yeah.
This is all chocolate chips.
Let's see if it's this aisle. Oh, it's right here.
I mean, these are bigger, but then there's the jumbo ones. But these are fine.
No, I don't want the mini ones. Let's
Oh,
get
I
the
got
jump.
two. What the frick am I doing? Think that's good?
Yeah, that should be good.
I got more marshmallows than I do chocolate.
The
but-
chocolate.
but those-
So,
this
do you
would
want to
be-
just?
This will be fine though, because this is 6 bars, so you'll get
Okay.
a lot out of it. And then you got a bunch of graham crackers too. You can just, or you can just make s'mores. See, look, this is make s'mores. Boom, boom. All the ingredients, we got it. Quick tip: no campfire, microwave s'more for about 8 to 10 seconds. Boom. See?
All right, quick and easy.
Ta-da! I need to get some of this stuff. Peanut butter powder. Make freaking milkshake and stuff with this.
Actually, I need to get like this protein shake. It's
Down. When we first walked in, all the protein powder was over there. You want that now or?
probably later, but we can just check and see what their prices are. Because I usually get them at Kroger. So let's see what Meijer's price are. So, yep. Now we're just gonna ice shop, but most likely not. So.
I gotta get my dark chocolate. Almond s'mores.
See. He likes dark chocolate, but I don't.
I love dark chocolate. It's so good.
Dark chocolate is nasty. It's supposed to be good for you, but
It is.
it's nasty. They got the special dark chocolate. Is it the same?
Oh, so it's
It's-
just the dark without the almonds.
Yeah, this one's just
I'm gonna
regular.
get the almonds.
And then it's the, I'll do this one, the milk chocolate one.
What?
I'll do this one, the milk chocolate. And then you can do the dark chocolate.
Yeah, but these are the milk chocolate. We got the 6 bars. This is
Okay.
just regular milk chocolate. That's fine. I've never had s'mores actually with almonds in it though. I've done it with dark chocolate before. It's good. That's because I like dark chocolate. You don't.
He said I'm not cool enough. Alright guys, we're heading home. So we tried to get the battery, but the battery that we initially was gonna buy was gonna be the wrong battery. So thank God we didn't buy it, because if we did take it home, we can't return it once it's open.
Once you open it, it's done.
Yeah, so
$5 down the drain.
yeah, so then the manager person, which was nice enough to try to help us find the right battery and try to open the back of my car key stuff and try to fix it for us. So it took forever, but we did it. So now we are heading back to Chris's parents' house. Alright guys, so we're home. So, and then yeah, so Josh, say hi to everybody.
Hey.
What are you making? Mom, say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody.
What are you making?
Pierogies. Sounds weird. Pierogies.
I messed them up. They're too soft.
That's what she said.
Hey Dad, say hi to everybody.
Hello. Everybody, let's take a picture of me. She's vlogging.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for coming along with me on this journey. So please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.